Everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Mysterious Frostspore Butterfly like this quest from NPC Naniwa. And to complete this quest, first just go and meet NPC Naniwa, and his locations is on here like this. Just drag his locations like this, and after that, just accept the quest. And for the second week of the winter event, there are 4 new Frostspore Butterflies that added to game. And to make this quest easier and faster, I highly recommend catching the mother of pearl butterfly. That you can catch this butterfly in jump puzzle over here. Just find this butterfly on here, and then next just equip your tools, and then just find the butterfly over there like this. You will get the mother of pearl. After successfully catching it, the quest will be complete automatically. And then next just go back to Naniwa. Just go back to Naniwa like this, and then after that just tap on Mysterious Frostspore to complete the quest. And then next you will get the new tools like this. The Inflatable Insect Attractor that can increase the number of insects in the current area for 60 seconds. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.